We are presenting ADC, Automatic Defect Classifier, capable to operate in 3 different modes: manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic mode. Let's load the class structure, Excel file with class names and image per class as reference. We just demonstrated 4 classes and ready to load set of testing images to classify. Let's start from manual classification. Opening comprised manual classification set dates as per time of creation, now. We already have 4 empty directories for classes and set of the images of interest transferred. Mode of operation is quite simple. You getting image automatically and choosing the class. By confirmation, you are transferring that image in related class directory. Upon completion of the set, or by user decision to stop, we terminating manual sequence to complete our task and getting report for manual classification. Let's start with semi-automatic classification by choosing Automatic Classification tab and loading classes for optical set. Let's create automatic data set by choosing images from local or external sources. Here we need to start AI session due to the fact that we are using deep learning classifier and later load required classifier model itself. We got confirmation for successful loading of the model. So let's find the automatic set created by time and date, now, and load it. Mode of operation is quite simple. You getting image automatically and need to confirm or change chosen automatically class. By confirmation, you are transferring that image in related class directory. Please observe successful automatic determination of the class. Here we are completing earlier our semi-automatic classification by pressing stop button and getting classification report. Let's start with fully automatic mode for classification. Just let choose one of the previous testing sets which were not classified and run it in fully automatic mode. You could see that class definition changes accordingly at very high speed of inference. We just completed classification of 700 images in a couple of minutes. We could check our automatic decision by opening Automatic Report directory and checking visually our classes, it is easy to see that corresponded defects are in folders named accordingly. Dome defect. Large defect. Residue defect. And finally, small defect. Here at Network Training tab, we have set up and necessary steps for deep learning network training, allowing to work with any kind of images. Moreover, use EIQ and denoising as for data preparation for better classification performance. Let's see another network performs classification on SEM images. Let's load classes structure from Excel associated with SEM image classification. And load the test images from SEM source, creating automatic classification set. Start the AI session and load SEM classifier for 4 SEM classes. By loading this set, we can start semi-automatic classification. Watch Defect class confirmation. And report creation. Let's create another set for full automatic classification. And see fast inference on 15 images.